Natural remedies to alleviate anxiety. Some anxiety is a normal part of life. You might feel a certain amount of unease or uncertainty when it comes to stressful situations such as taking a test, giving a presentation, or meeting new people. In many cases, a small amount of anxiety every so often can be a good thing. It helps to keep you aware of potential dangers and motivates you to be prepared. Vetiver essential oil. Vetiver is an herb native to India and has been used in ancient healing traditions for thousands of years. It has soothing and uplifting properties, which has made it known as the oil of tranquility. Place 1 to 2 drops of 100% pure vetiver essential oil on one's wrist, chest, or neck to soothe feelings of anxiety or nervousness. Ashwagandha. This is one of the most powerful herbs in Ayurvedic healing and is frequently referred to as the Indian ginseng. It is a highly rejuvenating herb that reduces anxiety without causing drowsiness, and it helps to stabilize the body's response to stress. Valerian root. This has been found to naturally increase the amount of gamma-aminobutyric acid in the brain, which helps regulate nerve cells and calm anxiety. The benzodiazepine medications work the same way. Lavender essential oil. Lavender essential oil alleviates anxiety, sleep disturbance, and depression. To relieve stress, inhale 100% pure lavender essential oil straight from the bottle or apply it topically behind the ears, on the temples, and on the back of the neck. Kava root. This is a non-addictive and non-hypnotic anxiolytic. Kava treatment on anxiety with only a few mild adverse effects. These include headaches, drowsiness, and diarrhea. Kava can interact with certain medications, so it could be taken under the guidance of a healthcare provider.